Hi my dear students, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Being at home, you should learn something, right? Myself Sandhya from Badasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School going to teach 5th standard maths for you. Before going to the topic, we'll see some conversation between Mani and his mother. Mani asked his mother, Mom, do you know that our municipal corporation spends crore rupees on keeping our locality clean? Mother replied, yeah, I know my dear. Mother asked to Mani, can you work out the corporation annual maintenance expenditure here? No mom, it is very big calculation. Mother said it is very simple calculation only if you know the multiplication rules well. Listen children, in this conversation Mani used a word crore. In this conversation Mani used a word crore. Tell me Savita, whether it is a larger number or smaller number? Yeah, it is a larger number, right? It is a larger number. Based on this conversation, today we will learn about operations on large number. In maths, we have 4 operations is there. The first operation is addition, the second one is subtraction, and the third one is multiplication, and final one is division. Today we will learn about particularly addition and subtraction. Today we will learn about particularly addition and subtraction. Before going to the example sums, I will tell what is addition. When the things are put together, we do addition. When the things are put together, we do addition. One more example here having, listen here. First group we have 3 flowers and second group we have 2 flowers. Now we are going to add this or else find the total. Find the total or add means we are going to do addition. For example, listen here. First we have 3 flowers and second we have 2 flowers. Now we are going to count this 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 3 after, 4, 5. So the final answer is 5. Okay, we have one more example also is there. Listen children. 321 plus 176. 321 plus 176. Now we are going to add this. Before going to the addition, we will write the place values. Right, ones, tens, 100. Now I am going to tell why the place value is important in addition. Because the place values helps us to understand the meaning of number and where to use which number based on the question. Here listen children, they given ones, tens, 100, 3-digit number. Will take 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Before going to the sum, I'll tell which numbers are comes under ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000, 10,000 and it will be goes on. Listen here, ones place, the numbers comes between 0 to 9. That numbers are comes under ones place, 10 to 99 that numbers are comes under tens place, and 100 to 999 that numbers are comes under 100 place, 1000 to 9999 that numbers are comes under 1000 place. Likewise the numbers are all comes under 10,000 lakh it will be goes on. Listen children, our first example is 321 plus 176. 321 plus 176. First here we having 2 groups of number. So take first group of the number. What is the ones place value here? 1. So write 1. And what is the tens place value here? 2. Take and write 2. And finally what is the 100 place value? 3. Then take second group of number. The ones place value is 6 and the tens place value is 7 and finally the 100 place value is 1. While adding the number, first you should start ones place. It means right hand side. Okay. 1 in the mind, 6 in the finger. Tell me Savita, what is the answer? 1 after, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7 ones. So write 7 ones. Next take tens place value. 2 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9 tens. The third one is 100 place. In 100 place we have 300 plus 100. 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 3 after, the answer is 4. Finally we will get the answer 497. Listen children, in addition we have names. For 321 it will be called addends, and 176 also is called addends. The final answer is called sum. Now we are going to see what is addends and what is sum. Now we are going to see what is addends and what is sum. What is addends and what is sum? A terms or numbers added together. A terms or numbers added together. For example, if you take, for example, you will take 3 plus 2. Okay, here 3 and 2 are called addends, 5 is called sum. 3 and 2 are called addends and 5 is called sum. That is, addends means your terms or numbers added together. Your terms or numbers added together is called addends. The final answer is called sum. Listen, the sum is defined as the addition of two numbers. The result number is called the sum. Are we all clear? In addition, we have two subtopics is there. The first one is addition without regrouping. The second one is addition with regrouping. What is the first topic? Addition without regrouping, and the second one is addition with regrouping. Listen children. Addition without regrouping. What is without regrouping? When we are doing the addition problem, if the sum does not have the carry, if the sum does not have the carry, it is called as addition without regrouping. Here we are given the one example, two groups of number, larger number 1,16,344 and 2,30,521. Now we are going to arrange the column wise. Okay. The first number is 1,16,344. Say what is the ones place value here? The ones place value is 4. And what is the tens place value? The tens place value is 4. And the hundred place value is 3. 1000 place value is 6. Tell me Manimoran, what is the 10,000 place value? Here the 10,000 place value is 1. And finally the lakh place value is 1. Take the second group of number, 2,30,521. Here what is the ones place value? The ones place value is 1 and the tenth place value is 2. 100 place value is 5. 1000 place value is 0. 10,000 place value is 3. Finally the lakh place value is 2. Now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first you should start a right side onwards, that is ones place. Take 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. What is the answer? 4 after? 4 after 5. So the answer is 5 ones. The next place is tens place. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 4 after? 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Tell me Roshan, what is the answer? 3 plus 5. 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 3 after? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. The next place value is 1000. 6000 plus 0,000. So you are getting the same answer. The answer is 6. And finally 10,000. 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 1 after? 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 410,000. The final value is lakh place. 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 1 after? 2, 3. The answer is 3. Now we are going to write the final answer. Answer 3,46,865. 3,46,865. Listen children, our next topic is addition with regrouping. Our before topic is addition without regrouping. There we don't have a carry value. Here we have the carry. When we are doing the addition problem, if the sum has carry, it is addition with regrouping. Here we are given three groups of number. The first group of the number 5,45,321. The second group of number 1,54,312, and finally 2,51,864. Now we are going to do two steps, then you will get the answer. Listen. First you should write the place value. What is the step 1? Step 1, we are going to write the place value. What is the first place value? Ones. And what is the second place value? Tens. The third place value is 100. And the fourth place value is 1000. And the fifth place value is 10,000. and the 6th place value is lakh. Now we are going to arrange the number. Listen, what is the 1st place value here? 1. So take and write 1. And the 10th place value is 2. The 100th place value is 3. So write 3. And the 1000 place value is 5. Take and write 5. Tell me, Roshan, what is the 10,000 place value? Here the 10,000 place value is 4. So write 4. And the lakh place value is 5. Take the second group of number. What is the second group of number? 1,54,312. What is the 1st place value here? 2. And the 10th place value is 1. 100 place value is 3. And the 1000 place value is 4. 10,000 place value is 5. And finally the lakh place value is 1. Now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first you should start a right side onwards, 1's place. Take 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. What is the answer? 1 after 2, 3. So the answer is 3. The next place is 2 tens plus 1 ones. 2 tens plus 1 tens. 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 2 after, the answer is 3. Tirumurugan, tell me what is the answer? 300 plus 300. 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So 3 after, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 600. Next take 1000 place, 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. And 10,000 place value, 4 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. And finally lakh place value, 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 5 after, 6. So first we will take two groups of number. We are getting the answer 6,99,633. 6,99,633. Now we are going to do the step 2. Okay, in this step 2, first you will write the step 1 answer, then you write the final question. 2,51,864, then you will find the answer. Next we will do the step 2. Listen children, 6,99,633 plus 2,51,864. First we will write the place value. What is the first place value? Always unit place, ones, and the second place value is tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, and finally lakh. Take the first group of the number, 6,99,633. What is the ones place value here? The ones place value is 3. So write 3. And what is the tens place value? The tens place value also 3. Write 3. What is the 100 place value? The 100 place value is 6. And the 1000 place value is 9. The 10,000 place value also 9. And finally the lakh place value is 6. Take the second group of the number. Tell me Krish, what is the ones place value there? Yeah, the ones place value is 4. And what is the tens place value? The tens place value is 6. And the 100 place value is 8. 1000 place value is 1. 10,000 place value is 5. And finally the lakh place value is 2. Now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first you should start the ones place, right side downwards. Listen, 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7 ones. Next we will take a tens place, 3 tens place, 6 tens. 3 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9 tens. Take the 100 place, 600 plus 800. 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here you got 2-digit number 14, right? Now we are going to split this. 400 plus 100. 400 plus 100. 400 plus 100. In this 100 should be written on the carry over to the 1000 place. 1. And the 400 should be written under the 100 place value. Right? 4. Now we will take the 1000 place. 1 in the mind, 9 in the finger. 1 after, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 10 in the mind, 1 in the finger. What is the answer? 11. Here you got 2-digit number. Now we are going to split this. 11,000 you are going to split 1,000 plus 110,000. 1,000 plus 110,000. Yeah, listen children. We got 11,000. Now we are going to split this. 110,000 plus 1,000. In this 110,000 you should be written carry over to the 10,000 place, and then this 1,000 should be written under the 1,000 place. Right? 1. Now we are going to add this. 110,000 plus 9 10,000 plus 5 10,000. 1 in the mind, 9 in the finger. So what is the answer? 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 10 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here you got 2-digit number 15. Right? Now we are going to split this. 5 10,000, 1 lakh. 5 10,000 plus 1 lakh. 5 10,000 plus 1 lakh. In this 1 lakh you should be written carry over to the lakh place, and the 5 10,000 you should be right under the 10,000 place. Next take the final place. 1 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 2 lakh. 1 in the mind, 6 in the finger. So the answer is 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 7 after 8, 9. So the final answer is 9,51,497. What is the final answer? 9,51,497. Listen children, I'll tell where do we use the addition. We will use addition in our day-to-day life. For example, if you are going to the marketplace, if you are going to the shopping mall, so wherever you are going, there we will use the addition. For example, you have 5 chocolate, your mother will give 2 chocolate. Find the total number of chocolate. Here we will use addition. 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So totally you have 7 chocolate. I'll tell you something how we will find the addition problems. When we have the terms like how much, how many, find the total, find the sum, means there we should use addition. Thank you children.